Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well today. I hope that you're all in the October mood. This is just my favorite time of year. I live for this time of year. I'm so excited for Halloween. I think I'm going to be heading down to LA this year again to head to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Halloween party, and I'm so excited. The party is amazing. I've been before. I'm just fully in the festive mood. So keeping with the autumn schmood today, I thought that I would do another shoe haul for you guys. I did do a shoe haul a few weeks ago, and I know that you guys did go and treat yourself after watching that video, so I thought that I would do another one. I am a shoe lover. I love shoes so much. I'm definitely more of an accessory person. I feel like when it comes to my clothes, I'm very plain, but with shoes and bags, that is where I'm at. So today's video has kindly been sponsored by one of my favorite shoe brands, and that is Koi footwear. This sponsorship is actually a little bit of a dream come true for me because I love Koi so much. I have bought so many pairs of shoes from them. They always have the most kind of up-to-date stylish shoes on their website. They've always got an amazing range of shoes. They're all 100% vegan. All of the shoes on their website are all so affordable as well. It is amazing. I will link every style that I show you guys in this video down below in the description box, and I will also link their website if you do just want to go and browse the website and have a little look at all of the amazing styles. So without further ado, I am going to get into this video. I am also going to try all of these shoes on as well, and I will put in some clips so you guys can see what all of the shoes look like. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite pairs first because I am just itching to show these boots to you guys. I have a feeling that I'm going to end up living in these throughout the winter because I just think that they're so stylish and they are so easy to pair with so many different kinds of outfits as well. So I got these faux leather Paignton ankle boots. These are super comfy. I have tried them on a few times and wore them around the house a little bit, and I feel like I could wear these out on like a shopping trip or a night out and just not have any troubles at all. I also really like how these kind of come up quite high on my calf. I don't have any boots like this. Normally I do tend to buy a lot of ankle boots. I have so many different styles of ankle boots, but I don't have any that come up this high, and I just think that they look amazing with skinny jeans tucked into them, and they also look really cool with kind of mum jeans rolled up over the top of them. I'm also kind of thinking that these would look insane with a faux fur coat as well. I just think that that is going to make such a cool winter outfit. So let me just pop those down there. This is so exciting. It honestly feels like Christmas. I'm just unboxing all of these shoes. I have already unboxed them and tried some of them on, but I wanted to put them back in the box for the video. Okay, so the next pair of shoes I've got here are also boots. By the way, you guys, pretty much all of the shoes in this haul are different styles of boots. Obviously it is autumn and winter now, and I do live in Canada, so I'm not going to be getting much wear out of like sandals and stuff at this time of year, so I did order lots of boots to mix them all up for the winter. I love boots so much, and I love these ones. I'm gonna have a total Ariana Grande moment in these. These are just some kind of suede effect over the knee boots. I also really like that they've got this kind of drawstring at the top of the shoe, if you guys can see that there, so you can pull it tight around your knee. As you guys can see, these ones are more of a high heel, so I probably won't be wearing these ones on a daily basis. These ones are definitely more kind of night out or dinner with my friends kind of shoes, but they're still going to keep my feet nice and warm in the winter because I will wear some cozy socks underneath these ones. I just think these are so They're so sassy. Okay, so as I just said, most of the shoes in this video are boots, but I could not resist getting this pair of sandals. I just thought that these would look really, really cute with a pair of ankle socks in the winter. Obviously not on a snowy day in Canada, as my toes may get a little bit cold, but we do have more kind of dry, sunny winter days as well. And I just think that these with ankle socks and kind of like a big fluffy coat would make such a cute outfit. So, ooh, I'm dropping everything. The thing that I really liked about these is the fact that they're not very high, but they're such a cute style. I just think that you could wear these with so many different kinds of outfits, and they are so comfortable as well. Even once we get past autumn and winter, I have a feeling I will be wearing these so much next summer. I know that everyone thinks you have to just wear trainers and boots in the winter, but cute little pair of sandals like this with some cute socks could make for a very cute autumnal outfit. You know what I'm saying? These next boots that I'm going to be showing you, I genuinely have been searching high and low for boots this style that look good on me, and they're very similar to the second pair of shoes that I got you. So they are over the knee boots. However, these are a style that I can wear during the day. So as I said about the other ones, they are more perfect for nights out and like just going out for dinner with friends and stuff, but these over the knee boots are going to be my daily over the knee boots. So these I will be wearing with like some cute skirts and dresses and like big coats in the winter time, and this is what they look like. They actually look higher than the other over the knee boots that I showed you, but they have the platform on them, so they're not very high at all, but they are still giving you that height. So if any of you babes want to, you know, have a little bit of sass to your everyday outfit, these are so gorgeous. And yeah, I'm just really excited about these for the winter. I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing these a lot, just like the first pair of boots I showed you, the Paignton ones. I know that I'm going to be wearing those a ton in the winter, but I also know I'm going to be wearing these a ton as well because they are just so comfortable, and I'm just so obsessed. I've got another pair of Paignton boots to show you guys. These ones are a little bit different to the first ones I showed you though, and I can honestly say I have never had boots like this in my life. These ones are very fashion and I love it. So these ones just kind of sit underneath my knees. So I'm planning to wear these ones with, I was kind of thinking like a very oversized knitted jumper dress and a big coat. I thought that that would make a really cute outfit. Just something like very easy, minimal effort, but is gonna look adorable in the winter time as well. And if it is super cold, you can always pop on a pair of tights with them as well. And I'm totally gonna be wearing thick socks with these. They're just amazing. I think that they're so freaking cool. They're perfect for every day. They're perfect for evenings. And yeah, they're just gonna add a little bit of sass to any kind of outfit, you know? Very fancy. These final boots that I have to show you guys are outrageous in all the best ways. As I said in my last shoe haul, I am a lover of shoes that are a little bit different, a little bit over the top, and just very unique. So I got these ankle boots with flames on the side and these white laces. If any of you guys have been around here for a while and have been on my channel for a while, you will know that my hockey team are the Calgary Flames. I am a big fan of hockey and the Calgary Flames, and Anthony and I are actually season ticket holders, so we do go and watch, obviously when it's in season, we go and watch every Flames home game, and I am just a big fan. I'm a big fan. So obviously these are going to be perfect for when I go to watch the Calgary Flames. So yeah, obviously I will be wearing these to some Calgary Flames games. I did also grab a few accessories from Koi as well. They do have bags and some other accessories on their website. So I picked up this cute little belt bag. I just thought that this was adorable and so nice for the winter, and I'm gonna just wear it kind of like that way. One thing I find really annoying in the winter is I wear quite big like puffer coats and winter coats. Obviously it gets so freaking cold where I live, so I have to wear big warm coats, you know. But I find that normally I always use a backpack. I am just a backpack person, but I find that when I'm wearing big coats like that, the straps of my backpack slip down and it gets really annoying. So what I'm planning to do with this is wear this underneath my coat, just so I can grab my like keys and my phone really easily. I did also pick up another couple of things as well. I got this little star hair slide, which I thought was really sweet, so I'll probably wear this one here like this. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. So nice. And I did also get this gold necklace with this green stone as well. I am very into my gold rings and gold necklaces. I just love my gold jewelry, and I thought that this would look really nice just kind of when I'm a little bit more dressed up, maybe with a blazer and some heels. It's just a nice little accessory, you know. And yeah, that's everything that I wanted to show you guys today. As I said, I am going to list all of these shoes down below in the description box for you. I'm going to put all links down there for absolutely everything, even the bag and the hair slide, just everything will be down below there. I will also put the prices of everything down below in the description box as well, because I didn't have all the prices off the top of my head for this video, but I will put them down below in the description box. So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found some shoes that you want to go and treat yourself to today. And yeah, I really like these videos. I actually love doing clothing hauls, shoe hauls, anything kind of fashion related, because I don't do this stuff very often, so it's really exciting for me. I definitely have quite a strong style when it comes to my shoes and accessories and stuff, and I hope that you guys also enjoy my style as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah!